flu epidemic, it's been bad. It is getting worse. Almost 75,000 cases have been reported so far.
And the CDC says 30 children have died from the flu this season. And officials say Hawaii is the only state in the U.S. where the flu is not widespread. While Southern California has been dominating headlines with record-breaking flu numbers, Sacramento doctors are also preparing for the worst. Fox 40's Doug Johnson is live now outside UC Davis Medical Center with more on what's being done there. Doug.
Allie, as we've been reporting all week in Southern California, they've had to set up tents outside of the hospitals to kind of keep separate those flu patients from the other patients in the hospital. Well, here at UC Davis Medical Center, we're being told that they're doing everything they can to avoid that situation.
There have been 74 confirmed influenza-related deaths in California so far this season.
According to Dr. Thomas Stafford, the reason this year's flu season has been so bad is the flu shot is not as effective.
The flu shot is developed based off of the predominant flu strains that are circulating in the southern hemisphere.
But this year's flu strain, H3N2, changed.
And that particular strain mutated to the point where the vaccine is not particularly effective against it.
While the CDC still recommends getting the shot, that mutation is why so many hospitals in Southern California and the Bay Area were caught off guard. In San Bernardino County, already more than 10 people have died from the flu this year, prompting hospitals there to set up tents outside to keep exposure to other patients to a minimum. Staff at UC Davis Medical Center tells Fox 40 it has not come to that yet, but that hospital confirms it's creating a space adjacent to the emergency department for a flu treatment center, expected to be ready by Wednesday. Meanwhile, Dr. Stafford says this is the worst season he's seen since 2009, and those who haven't gotten sick yet do need to be careful.
I don't think you need to be so paranoid that you don't shake people's hands, but after you shake their hand, rather than going and scratching your eyes and touching your face or eating your food, wash your hands before you do any of that kind of stuff.
And we certainly haven't seen the death numbers up here that they have down in Southern California. But to give you an idea of what we're dealing with up here, according to the California Department of Public Health, some of the local numbers here, Sacramento County has had 3 flu-related deaths. Understand that Yolo County has had 2, and there's been just 1 in Placer County. But again, those numbers are expected to change as we get more and more into the flu season. Reporting live at UC Davis Medical Center in Sacramento tonight, Doug Johnson, Fox 40 News.
Doug, thank you. Turning to